Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm gonna teach you how to delete your playlist from Spotify. Okay, so right now I'm on Spotify's home screen, and at the bottom you can see about 4 icons. One is home, the other is search, the other is your library, and the other is premium. So we're gonna need the your library icon. We're gonna click it, and then you can see your playlists here. So you can pick the playlist you want to delete. I'm gonna pick my playlist number 2, and then right under the picture there's a enhance option, an icon with like a person and a plus, and then there's a 3 dots option. We're gonna click on the 3 dots, and then you have a couple of options: add songs, edit, make private, add to profile, delete, share, invite collaborations. So we're just gonna click on that delete because that's what we're doing. We're deleting the playlist. Are you sure you want to delete this playlist? Yes, I'm sure. Delete. And as you can see, it's not anymore in our library, and that's how you do it. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.